Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this clipping mask effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first I just need a new blank white page, and I just have to add the picture what I would like to use, increasing the size a bit like this, cropping the picture, removing the background, and just moving to here. And I need just a square, and I have to make a square which is bigger than the picture, selecting a color like blue, which has a high contrast with the white background. So layers, send it back, just moving a bit more higher, or I just even reduce the size a bit. I just really need a frame around the picture, so the picture has to be in this blue square. And now I'm selecting the picture, going to the edit, going to the duotone and select any. And now selecting both colors to white. So this is a reason why not important which duotone we are selecting. Anyhow, we will modify it to white. And now you can see this is the reason why we need this small part. In this case, the white background will be removed when I downloading the picture, and removing the background together with the white part of the image. So this is why I need this blue frame here. Then this will be removed separately, and this looks very nice when I'm doing it. So I'm just going to share, download. This is the page number 4. I just need to download the page number 4 and open a new page. So it's downloaded. I just add into the next page, and just looking for any picture or video what I would like to use. Now I just choose this volcano. I think I will use this picture now, selecting as a set as a background and increasing the size of the picture until hit the original size of the page. So removing the background again. As now you can see immediately, we can see the picture on the frame. And now again, I just go into the edit, duotone again, same, regardless what we choose. I just need to set both to white. And now going back to the elements, I need a square again, and masking the other part of the picture. This one also has to be white, duplicating it, moving to the other side, duplicate again, and now I have to be careful to not masking the picture also, just the unwanted parts here also. And now I can add again a new page. Here I already set a gradient background, adding again the same picture, removing the background, with increasing the size, moving to the left. And now this is the page number 5. Share, download, selecting only the page number 5 and downloading it. and upload to the last page. Wait until the picture will be uploaded, selecting the picture, removing the background, cropping the picture a bit, and now we can, oh yeah, this one maybe it's a bit too big. Yeah, now increase the size to properly. And if you would like to add an effect like I did it before, go into the edit again, shadows, and selecting the outline, and go into the colors. We can choose any color what we want. Now it will be red, but the size I have to reduce a bit due to it's too big. And now we have the final outcome. I have this clipping mask effect, which can be filled by any picture or even a video if we would like to use a video. And then we can also play with this picture, adding shadows if we like. So here is the final outcome. Hope so you like it. Please do not forget to hit the small like button if you enjoyed my video, and subscribe to my channel, and also leave some comments if you're struggling anything on Canva or any AI tools. I try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.